Hello, good afternoon all. Myself is Madesh Kumar. I'm talking about theory of constraint. Come, see. The first of all, the theory of constraint I discuss about this. Um, this I shown in the paper case study of firm key facts. So in my organization, gearbox manufacturing like construction equipments, minings, heavy utility vehicle, query related gearboxes. So then our valuable vendors as well as partners, Bemmel Mysore, Caterpillar Private Limited Chennai, Voltas, as well as my valuable vendor Allison Transmission. And one more, I am moving about and tell about sales and distribute, Ashok Leyland, Godrej, Daimler. And then I move to my process flow. This is the process flow chart. See here, first of all, raw material as a bar coming from forging. Then we are going to inspection. First of all, inspection having two more types. One is the dimension inspection, and one more raw material inspection. Whether if our drawing requirement meets the requirement, whether it's okay, as well as if there is any rejection happen, we are going to send back to supplier accordingly. Then I move to parting operation. In that particular parting operation, just only we had verified by length only, measured by tape. If it's okay, we can move next further. Uh, Otherwise we are going to rework or reject. Then I move to deburring area. In particular deburring area, see here the removing burrs generated after cutting. Then I move to finish turning area. If our drawing requirements meets, we are going to rework, else or reject. Then move to hobbing. In particular finish turning area, we are verifying certified for all parameters, include chamfer, groove, outer diameter, inner diameter, whatever the drawing requirements and all, we are ensuring and confirming. And then move to hobbing. See, this is the hobbing as per our requirement. Just of all that particular parameter we had verified, that MOP as well as run out. In particularly that and move to tapping operation. In particularly tapping as required in drawing, for inspection purpose we are verified by thread plug gauge. If it's found okay, we are moved to cleaning. In particularly cleaning area, we are going to removing the oil, dirt, as well as processed. Then move to buffing area. In particularly buffing area, for better smooth and surface finish achieved. Then we are going to move the final inspection area. In especially that final inspection area, we are verifying and certified entire layout, include outer diameter, inner diameter, chamfering, length, etc, etc. then i move to then I move to packing. If it's in particularly packing area, some standardization box available as per customer requirement. They are asking bubble sheet, else standard size box. Whatever their requirement, we are achieving and giving. Finally we are going to move the dispatch. In particular in dispatch area, we are going to invoice made and send to concerned people. And furtherly I move to the variety of problem. See, this is the variety of problem. In particular this part, uh, run out, concentricity, dimension deviation, as well as linear parameters, parallelisms, and flatness, etc. In our organization, machine used advanced CNC machine, automatic by manual machines, KWS machine, manual CNC machine. Actually I am talking about in especially for this 29505636 shaft. For your reference, as shown in the drawing, we are going to discussing about these things. Then I moved to the manufacturing of 29505636 shaft. First of all, the three jar checks used in without through the components, it leads to runout as well as concentricity observed. And one more point, whether if you we are using four jar check used with the through the components, obviously we got the requirements. Inside piece to piece we can able to verify, else it leads poor finish absurd. Whether customer requirement surface finish asking closely means, we are going to inspect to each and every piece. Then I move to the figure before implementation. In particularly the 2950 shaft monthly production. See here, this is Jan 16, Feb 16 and March 16. In particular month, we are producing 50, 45, 48. In each price 48,850. So total value. Then I move to, actually in our requirement, mostly Jan month, Feb month, March month, run out, phase out, many more things frequently observed. So then I move to challenges or face in particular this operation: low production, operating cost too high, miscommunication data, as well as operator fault. And one more point, slow productive due to poor synchronization between manual and advanced machines. Then I move to the especially the topic for TOC, which means theory of constraint. In especially this theory of constraint, we are going to discuss first of all identify, exploit, subordinate, elevate. Okay, then I discuss about the main causes for slow throw output. In particularly this slow throw output, drawing ability was very poor. I'm asking about operator. And one more, that manual feeding can take too much of time, as well as programming knowledge was very poor. That's what they are going to slow throughput in especially operators. Then I move to next point. In lengthy shaft, each and every piece dial and run, else very tough to achieve the run out and all. And one more point I would like to represent here: if central drill done not done properly, surely runout also affect in all the diameter, because of in between center only they are showing. Then I move to this before turning and after finish turning. In between we are going to inspect as it is. One more time, turning drawing we are going to turning itself we are going to inspect and analyze. Then I move to modification done. In particularly that modification done, operators are can't able to study the drawing properly. So if any doubt they are if any doubts they are they want, we are mingle with them, as well as process team, as well as R&D team if required. Then I move to production line. In especially that production line, before we are proceeding, only our three jar chuck used in manual lathe machine, and as well as manual tapping operation carried out. So then after I moved to I used to four jar chuck in advanced CNC machine, as well as tapping operation has done same like that. So before and after compare, production should be achieved too high. After implementation, see here, this is a month of April 16, May 16 and June 16. So we are producing 62, 61, 60, 72. One product value 4850. So we are going to achieve like this as shown in this value. Then I move to rate of the production comparison. So before, after, so